sight, I've got hearing, I've got taste, I've got smell. What is the other one?
Touch?
Oh, thanks, I'm flattered, but I'm trying to think of the other sense. Well, whatever it is, I've got it. But the important one is my sixth sense, my sense of humor.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Problem. I just wanted you to know that Daffy and I are going to be a little late. We're investigating a missing person's case.
Mm-hmm.
But the good news is we got you a new lamp, and it looks exactly like your old one, except it's a different color. And the base is a little wider, a lot wider. And the shade's different. It's a weird shade. You know, you could at least see it before you judge it. Unbelievable, that guy.
Tell me about it. Try living with him.
At you in the summer.